Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Venu Sq music, and I'm gonna show you how to install additional watch faces on this device. Before we start, your watch needs to be paired with your phone via the Garmin Connect application. Once the devices are paired, you will need to download and install the Garmin IQ Store on your phone. To do it, open the App Store on your phone, tap on Search, type in Connect IQ Store and tap on Search. And you should see this app called Connect IQ Store, developed by Garmin. Tap on the install button to install the app and wait until the app is done installing. Once the application is done installing, you can open it. To do it, you can tap on Open button in the App Store or simply tap on the icon on the home screen to open the app. Once you open the app, you should see the welcome screen. Tap on the welcome button. Here we can use the account that we used to pair the devices together in the Garmin Connect application, or we can switch the accounts by tapping on Switch Account. I'm just gonna tap on Continue. Now I'm gonna check the boxes and tap Next. And here we have the IQ Store. As you can see, we have different things like music, trending apps, hot and fresh apps, data fields for runners and stuff like that. Basically, you have different categories on the IQ Store page. If you want to look for the watch faces only, you can tap on Search. And here you have the category types. As you can see at the top, you can swipe on them to scroll through the list. Select the watch faces category. And here we have the list of watch faces. As you can see, we can scroll down through it. The list is quite long. For some of the watch faces, you will need to pay. Some of them are free. Now, let's find the watch face. For example, find the one you like and tap on it to select it. For example, this one. And here you have the information about the watch face, description, the version, size. You can also tap on compatible devices to check if your device is compatible. And as you can see, it is Venu Sq. And once you're done checking the information, you can tap on the install button to install the app, or rather the watch face. Tap on Allow. And once the watch face is done installing, you will get the prompt right here. You can tap on Got it. And when you wake up the screen on your watch, the watch face should be applied, as you can see. You can also uninstall the watch face by tapping on this uninstall button right here. And if you're looking for updates for the apps, you can tap on My Device right here in the IQ Store. Select My Watch Faces, and here you will have the list of installed watch faces. You can check for updates, you can uninstall them, and basically you can manage the watch faces right here. So if you want to uninstall the watch face, for example, tap on watch face you want to uninstall, tap on uninstall, and it's gonna disappear from the installed list. It's gonna appear on the not installed list. So if you want to install it again at some time, you can just come here to My Device, tap on My Watch Faces, and it should be here right here on the list. You can tap on it and tap on install. Okay, and that's how you install additional watch faces on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on this video.